So you've probably heard this before. Salads aren't just for dinner. Let's make a salad. 150 grams of full-fat Greek yogurt, 100 grams of cottage cheese, 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein, 1 cup of baby spinach, 1/2 cup of finely diced cucumber, a pinch of salt, a little lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it all together. Add the greens to the yogurt mixture. On top, 1 small sliced avocado, 1 banana, 1 cup of berries, 1/4 cup rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of mixed seeds, 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it or layer it. The taste creamy, sweet, crunchy, fresh. Energy, about 800 to 950 calories, 40-55 grams of protein. Want it dairy-free? Use thick coconut yogurt, firm tofu. Need more calories? Add 1/2 cup of chickpeas or more olive oil. Your breakfast salad is ready. Eat well, stay light, and conquer your morning.